1 in 3 adults may already have kidney damage without knowing it. And if you're over 45, have high blood pressure, or diabetes, you're at even higher risk. But here's the good news: there are 5 simple daily habits that can help restore your kidney health naturally, and help you avoid dialysis. Stick around, habit number 4 might just surprise you. Welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Here, we talk about real health tips backed by science, especially for folks over 45. And today, we're focusing on something many people ignore: your kidneys. These 2 small bean-shaped organs quietly filter around 50 gallons of blood every day, keeping your body in balance. But here's the problem: chronic kidney disease often shows no symptoms at first. By the time most people find out, their kidneys are already badly damaged. The good news? With the right daily habits, you can slow down or even reverse that damage, and potentially avoid painful, expensive dialysis. So let's dive into the 5 powerful habits that could change your health, starting today. Habit 1: hydrate smartly. When it comes to preventing kidney disease, one of the simplest yet most powerful habits is drinking water the right way. See, your kidneys need water to flush out toxins and keep your blood clean. But if you drink too much at once or not enough throughout the day, you may stress your kidneys instead of helping them. Here's the trick: sip water slowly, aim for 8 to 10 cups daily unless your doctor says otherwise. Add a squeeze of lemon for extra benefits. It contains citrate, which helps prevent kidney stones, especially if you're at risk. And if you already have chronic kidney disease, hydration becomes even more crucial. But it has to be balanced. Always check with your doctor to see what's right for your condition. Habit 2: eat kidney-friendly foods. Not all healthy foods are good for your kidneys, especially if you have or want to avoid chronic kidney disease. A true kidney-friendly diet is all about balance. You want foods that support your kidneys without overloading them with salt, potassium, or phosphorus. Start with colorful, antioxidant-rich options like blueberries, red bell peppers, garlic, cabbage, and cauliflower. These are low in potassium but full of flavor and healing power. Avoid the silent culprits: processed meats, canned soups, and salty snacks, some of the worst foods for your kidneys. And watch out for high potassium foods like bananas or spinach if your kidney function is already compromised. This isn't about restriction, it's about smart choices. A proper kidney detox diet isn't a fad cleanse, it's a way of eating that helps your body filter better, every single day. Habit 3: eliminate harmful habits. Sometimes protecting your kidneys isn't about what you add to your life, it's about what you need to stop doing. First, avoid overusing NSAIDs like ibuprofen or naproxen. They may help with pain, but they can quietly damage your kidneys over time, especially if used daily. Next, don't hold in your urine. It might seem harmless, but doing it often increases pressure, invites infections, and can lead to kidney damage if bacteria spreads. Cut back on alcohol and smoking, both reduce blood flow and increase inflammation, making it harder for your kidneys to filter properly. And if you're consuming a lot of sugar or soda, be warned, these are linked to chronic kidney disease and can silently push your kidneys toward failure. If you notice kidney damage symptoms like fatigue, swelling, or foamy urine, don't wait. Break these habits now and give your kidneys a fighting chance. Habit 4: try intermittent fasting. Let's talk about a healing tool that's completely free, and surprisingly powerful: intermittent fasting. When you give your body a break from constant digestion, something amazing happens inside. Your cells shift into repair mode, a process called autophagy. During autophagy, your body clears out damaged cells, including those in your kidneys, and makes room for new, healthier ones. Studies show that fasting can lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and support kidney function. Even light fasting, like 12-12 or 16-8, can make a difference. And for some, short dry fasts, no food, no water for 12 hours, can supercharge autophagy. Just start slow and check with your doctor first. If you're looking for natural ways to heal your kidneys, this might be one of the most powerful things you can try, and it doesn't cost a thing. Habit 5. Control blood pressure and sugar naturally. The two biggest causes of kidney failure: high blood pressure and diabetes. When your blood vessels are under constant pressure or overloaded with sugar, your kidneys struggle, and over time, they can break down. But here's the good news: you can manage both naturally, starting with food. To stabilize blood sugar, avoid refined carbs and added sugars. Choose fiber-rich foods, whole grains, and anti-inflammatory spices like cinnamon and turmeric. To lower blood pressure, cut down on sodium, stay active, and sleep well. Even deep breathing or mindfulness can make a difference. These changes don't just protect your kidneys, they can help prevent kidney failure altogether. If you want natural remedies for kidney health, this is where it all begins: steady sugar, calm pressure. Your kidneys do so much for you, filtering your blood, balancing fluids, keeping you alive. But they can't speak up when something's wrong, until it's almost too late. The good news: you don't need expensive treatments to support them. Just a few small daily habits can help you avoid dialysis, feel better, and take back control of your health. Let's quickly recap the 5 habits. Hydrate smartly. Eat kidney-friendly foods. Eliminate harmful habits. Try intermittent fasting. Control blood pressure and sugar naturally. Which one will you start with today? Let us know in the comments, and if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone you care about. Subscribe for more real, natural tips to heal and thrive. Your kidneys will thank you.